Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain the later part of the chapter what, where, how and when from history. I hope you understood what I explained in the previous class. Now let us discuss first, why did people travel? In ancient time also humans travel from one part of the subcontinent to another. As we know, in those days there was no transportation system as we have today, so traveling was not easy at all. Though it was difficult, yet it was not impossible. The hills and mountains, deserts, rivers and sea made journey dangerous. In spite of so many obstacles, so many barriers, men and women moved in search of livelihood and also to escape from natural disasters like flood, drought, etc. Do you know here what does the word livelihood means? It means job or source of income, in search of some source of income, source of food, source of means daily necessities. In search of all those things, they move from place to place. Again, when there was flood, there was drought in some places, then they moved from that particular place to another one, another safer place. Again, sometimes men march in search of with armies. In armies with the intention of conquering lands and increase the boundary of their kingdom. You will get here, besides, merchants also traveled with their caravans or ships, carrying valuable goods from one place to another. Religious teachers, they also walked from place to place, village to village, town to town, to offer religious instructions to the people. And finally, you will get some people traveling from place to place, especially driven by a spirit of adventure, means they had a wish, desire to discover new places, and they had a wish to undergo adventurous journeys. That's why they travel from place to place. So these are the reasons for which people travel in those days. Now you see the next heading. Here it is written, why do people travel nowadays? We have already learned that natural frontier of the subcontinent stood as a great barrier for the people to travel from place to place. Hills, mountains, then deserts, sea, ocean, all those are known as the natural frontiers. In spite of all these obstacles, people moved across the frontier and came to the subcontinent and settled here. And as a result of these movements, our culture, our tradition received a new phase, new direction, and they are enriched to a great extent. So people learned how to carve stones, compose music, cook food. A lot of things they learned as a result of people coming from outside or beyond the frontier. Now, dear students, that's all for today. You draw a map of subcontinent as you have seen in the book and locate the natural frontiers as I have just told you. And also complete the worksheet that is attached to it and send to my WhatsApp number by tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.